So I'm willing to admit it. Catherine was right. She's right a lot. She was right. So she's been telling me since I had surgery in 2018. And she's been telling me since then, you snore when you sleep. You have, I guess, sleep apnea but when I hear snoring, I'm thinking of just just that breathing, snoring, very light snoring type of thing, right? We all like to think that. So the other day, Mother's Day, we were home in the afternoon and figured let's take a little, what we like to call a little siesta. A little hour nap. And it was probably 15 minutes into what I wanted to be hour nap. And I was woken up by, and it was me. It was me, my friend. It was me. Woke myself up with a Peppa Pig snore. So she was right. She was right. It's not just a sleep apnea thing. It's like Daddy Pig.